Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to apply taxes using Wealthsimple and Turbotax for the year 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure you are taking advantage of all the tax savings available to you. First, it is essential to understand the basics of tax filing and the role of Wealthsimple and Turbotax. Wealthsimple is a financial services company that offers investment and tax filing services, while Turbotax is a tax preparation software that guides you through the tax filing process. To get started, you will need to gather all the necessary documents, including your T4 slips, T5 slips, and any other relevant tax slips. You will also need to have your social insurance number and date of birth readily available. Next, log into your Wealthsimple account and navigate to the tax filing section. From there, you will be prompted to import your tax slips and other relevant documents. This can be done electronically, or you can manually enter the information. Once you have imported your tax slips, Turbotax will guide you through a series of questions to determine your tax obligations and any potential tax savings. This includes questions about your income, deductions, and credits. One of the key concepts to understand is the difference between tax deductions and tax credits. Tax deductions reduce your taxable income, while tax credits reduce the amount of tax you owe. For example, if you donated to charity, you may be eligible for a tax credit. Another important concept is the role of tax brackets. Tax brackets determine the rate at which your income is taxed. In Canada, there are several tax brackets, ranging from 15% to 33%. Understanding which tax bracket you fall into can help you make informed decisions about your investments and tax strategy. Now, let's walk through a practical example. Suppose you have a T4 slip showing an income of $50,000 and a T5 slip showing investment income of $10,000. You also donated $1,000 to charity. Using Turbotax, you would import your T4 and T5 slips, and then answer a series of questions about your income, deductions, and credits. Based on this information, Turbotax would calculate your tax obligations and any potential tax savings. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep accurate records of your income, deductions, and credits. This includes keeping receipts for charitable donations and investment expenses. It is also important to stay up to date with any changes to tax laws and regulations. In conclusion, applying taxes using Wealthsimple and Turbotax is a straightforward process that can help you navigate the complex world of tax filing. By understanding key concepts, such as tax deductions and tax credits, and following best practices, such as keeping accurate records, you can ensure you are taking advantage of all the tax savings available to you.